This is the story of how I fixed a laptop keyboard with a paperclip.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted. head, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all, standing tall. Fear I weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Fearless.
So I took a paperclip, I stuck it in there. What I'm trying to do now is just see if, let me just reset, if I can get it a way to actuate. Just need to find the alignment pins. Okay, so now I'm pressing this down, the button, and W is activating, which is great news. So I don't know if this is the right size, but I'm thinking if I put this on, it should work. So I'll be right back. Funny enough, we got it working. So let me do this. www. That's amazing, really pleased with that. So I think we've lost that clickiness forever, but at least it works, which is the main thing.